Alright guys, you're gonna love this. Like and subscribe. Let's get to it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a project for Project Bobby B. Something that's going to help it look a lot more presentable. It's kind of keeping that rustic patina, but it's still making the car look a little bit cleaner. My dad's been telling me and watching the videos, telling me do it, put them on. And so today we're going to put on the trim pieces of the car. So what I did is I went ahead and I ordered the new hardware kit. So we're going to have to install these rivets. And there we go. And pick that up real quick. Yep. So we're gonna have to install these rivets all the way down the side of the car. And in some spots, there's also a kind of a square fastener that kind of locks locks it in place. So yeah, we'll do that. And right here, you can see I already had a couple of the rivets already in place, and I was able to get the side piece on. So that is on there. Pretty good, so that's not going anywhere. And we're gonna go ahead and get the other pieces installed. So I've never used a rivet gun before. This will be my first experience, but it can't be too hard. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these things kind of situated where I put a rivet in the machine, and yeah, we'll give it a shot. Trial and error, worst case scenario. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do this one-handed, and the first time ever riveting. So we got the rivet gun right here, because eventually I'm going to mount this with my GoPro. And basically we're going to take our little fastener, and we're going to seat the rivet inside the fastener. And then we're going to put it inside the rivet gun. There's a little hole in there, right? And then we're going to clamp it down, which is going to hold the rivet inside the gun so I can turn it around and not have to worry about it. And then we're going to place it on the car like so, and we're going to squeeze. And you might have to squeeze multiple times until it pops, and boom, there you go. One rivet on, a couple more to go. Let's do that again real quick. Get it situated. I'm doing this one-handed. I could go faster if I just put my head mount on. So again, we're going to seat this in the button. Seat it in the button. Put the rivet in the rivet gun. I might need to buy one of these after all. I borrowed my buddies for this. Now we're gonna put this inside. Is it in there? It's not going in all the way. There it goes. And we're squeeze while pushing against. Make sure you're pushing against, because you want to keep it taut against, because it's going to want to rise. And then you pop it, and the rivet pops. Just like that. That easy. Okay. Okay. Now that I've kind of got the hang of it, I'm going to go ahead and just knock out a couple of these. For this panel, you gotta be careful, because when it bounces off, it breaks it clean, and it pops off, and then I've kind of scratched the paint a few times. But luckily there's a lot of patina here, so I'm not too worried about it. Next one in, hold it a little bit, get it in place, get it in there. There she goes. She's in. Right there. And I did the dang thing again. Careful pushing on the second squeeze. Let's see if I can do it this time without scratching the car. Not doing so good so far. That's why this is a perfect platform for me to learn on. $500, and Damn it. I'm just adding to the patina. Oops. Thank God it's not my boss. He'd be seeing me crying right now. Alright. I'm determined. She's gonna stay put. Woo! Close. We did it right that time. Let's not lose these little pieces that fall off the rivet because it could end up in a tire. Alright. Got one more. Put her in. Put it in the gun first, but I didn't. Squeeze. And boom. Perfect. And the last one is one of our square fasteners. So we're going to take this square piece, or I guess first, I'm not sure the best way to do this, because I'm not sure I'll be able to get it on unless I put it on first. So I think this actually has to go on first, yeah. And then once it's on, you can kind of position it where it goes here. And I'm sure somebody's going to comment and say, yeah, duh, dummy, but you know, I'm learning right now. It's a little loose. So let's go ahead and feed her in first. And she's in. And boom, we got a piece of trim. Alright, now that I've kind of shown how it's done, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of the car, and then I'll come back to you guys when it's all done and show you the final result. Alright guys, here's the clean side of the car done. I like it. Looks really freaking good. Yep, car's still not perfect obviously, but you know what? It does clean up the look a bit. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. You know, I got an idea for this thing. I'm actually contemplating painting the trim black. Kind of wish I had before I put it on. It would look good. Might still do it, but you know, we'll leave it as chrome for now. Let's go get to the other side. That's the problem area with the patina, so we'll see how that comes out looking. Alright guys, here is the other side, all done. It's kind of hard to see in the garage. The trim goes all the way back. Still got a little bit of the rust spot popping out that I clear coated, and unfortunately some of the not paint corrected white because it's clear coated. But the car's done. I'm very happy with it. I think it looks very good. Can't wait to get it out and to drive it around soon, but it's freezing cold outside, hence why I'm in sweatpants in my garage. Okay guys, I hope everybody liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Project Bobby B has come a long way since I first got it. Again, I know a couple of you guys are probably going to watch it and be like, why'd you put the trim on that car? You should have painted it first. You know, it's just kind of how the car, I'm getting the car kind of how I like it, honestly. I think I'm really digging the retro rugged race car thing. You know, I got the splitter that needs to get fixed. I'm probably gonna get some better front fascia at some point to kind of make it flush and delete the rubber bumper completely. But I'm digging the look right now. It's definitely a driver's car, and you know, I'm very comfortable just taking it out for a spin. And the way it is, it gets tons of looks. I've got no interior, and you know, the seat's tattered, but man, I get lots of thumbs ups when I drive around. It looks really good on the outside, and hopefully here soon we can start addressing the interior, and then maybe I'll attempt the windshield again, the weather stripping. I kind of gave up on that because I tried it like 5 times, but I'll try that again soon. It's coming that time where I'm running out of stuff to do, so we'll do that. But again, if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I can't wait to bring you guys another video. All right, everybody, take care.